guys, we're back with another video. As y'all see by the title, we're gonna be doing a Starlight install, do it yourself. This is my first time doing it. I'm gonna take y'all along. We done ordered the kit. We got 550 stars. Right now we about to go head outside. We about to go take it off. I also want to bust down the sunroof part. So, I mean the sunroof visor. So I don't know, my first time. I don't know if that's difficult or not, but we're gonna figure it out and we're gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna catch y'all outside and let's get it done. Now, with me having a sunroof, I know this is going to be difficult to be my first one, man, but my goal is to actually have the sunroof functional and also have brake lights on it. So we're going to see. Let's get to taking this all the way off. Y'all niggas. So I'm literally just winging it. So as I see these right here, it's a little clip behind that I have to get. You gotta take off all the pillars, but I got all handles out. Everything clipped out pretty easy. Got the middle out. So we're about to get these unplugged, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all.
10 years later.
All right, man, we done got it out. I'm not gonna lie, getting it out was probably just as time consuming as unbolting and everything. So it probably took me like 30 minutes to get all the way out. That's not bad for my first time. But getting it back in with all the wires and strands, I'm sure that's gonna be a little difficult. But I'm sure there's an easier way to get it in. But on the back of the thing is wires glued on, so I know this never been taken off. All right, man, I got the sunroof visor on, but I'm not gonna lie, I think I took it off the right way. And this is like the drains for the water, and I took it off. So I'm sure once I put it back in, because it's super tight squeezing it that way, so I'm sure once I put it back in, I gotta unbolt this whole thing. But hopefully that shouldn't be a problem. Worst case, no lights on there, but I'm at least gonna try. And as y'all see, when they try to steal my stuff, they messed up some of the plugs. That wasn't me, but a lot easier than I expected, I won't lie. I went to Walmart, bought a little glue gun, some extra glues. Hopefully I don't need more than that. Bought these, I plan on laying it out. I got 500 lights, these is 400. I plan on laying it out and then going one by one with the stuff, with the glue gun and then the lights. I don't have a table, so this is a perfect example of doing it your first time. I got my little doggy over here. I might let him free and just do it on top of there, because that's probably the closest thing I got right now. Every car I had brake lights, and it's crazy to think I never did it myself. So with me trying to bring all this content, I figured I get the stuff, you know what I mean, get my hands dirty and do this myself and bring y'all along, show y'all that y'all could do it. I got a couple other big things coming. Like, these gonna be back-to-back upgrades. So I'm gonna stop boring y'all, I'm gonna get back to it and let's set it up. We'll take a look at the kit. Here's the 500 strands. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I had a couple brake lights, and I see that they made this box way smaller. If you know, it used to be like a cube. So this is nice. I know it's gonna be nice and compact. So this is a pretty nice setup.
I got a gun that stay in my friend I never.
Honestly, it's coming a lot better than I thought. But supposedly that's 400, man. My container empty. I thought the math, I got 500 lights, 400 of them. I thought I could kind of flood around here and then save about 75 for this. But it's looking like they shorted me. I guess nobody's gonna count on these, but there's no way there's 400 right here. So we're going to start with the glue gun, start getting these areas in, and then I'm going to take them out and redo this side. Honestly, stuff like this, I feel like it's just more of having patience than it being hard. For me, it's not like it's really a skill issue, just about having patience. probably did about 10 to 15 lights. And how much pressure I gotta put with my finger, and obviously the light, super flimsy, so it's just bending. I'm putting a lot of pressure, so I know I'm not gonna be able to do this all one day. I should have got something a little bigger than what I got to make the holes, but it's cool. I add a little bit more, just gonna add a little bit more time, but this is what I got done so far. But man, every one I'm applying so much pressure to get it through, so I'm gonna glue these up. I'll try to at least get to the under the sunroof, and then I'll start this back up probably later on, take a little break. Man, we're picking back up where we left off. I probably took like a 2-hour break, man. This is a real tedious job, and like I said, with the little thumbtacks, it's making my job a little harder, but we're gonna knock it out. We already started, we gotta finish it. Previous to me starting, I wanted to do a little bit of research. I see people use drills. I see people break the strands up and make it super organized. So I kind of wish I did that, but it's not too late. We only, like I said, about 35% done. So I'm gonna try to clean it up a little better tomorrow. I'm gonna catch y'all when I jump back on it. Hey, what's up, guys? It's the next day. I woke up inspired. We about to clean this mess up the right way. So even though I divided it into sections, this is always still too messy. So I'm just gonna take it off here, get these strands nice, flowing all the same way before I carry on. Cause I do wanna do the sunroof, and obviously looking like this, the sunroof ain't gonna work. So we're gonna take a step back and just clean it up a little better, so we got a little bit better of a place to work. All right, we cleaned it up a little bit, try to be a little more organized. So now I'm about to start working my way down and just kind of section it. So that could be one section. And then each section, I'll just lay it back to the box once I'm all done. Keep it neat so it'll go in nice and easy. So we probably got about, I say 75 lights left, and we got this big gap here. I got a 550 pack, but I don't know. I don't think we laid down that many lights yet, so it might not be 550. So we're not gonna do the sunroof visor, sadly, but we're gonna try to get this place fulfilled. And I know I didn't leave that many gaps, but I like my thing flooded, so hopefully we got enough. We're about to see what's going on. 75 lights, you think that's gonna cover this? No.
I told bro that we gon' make it, we just gotta be patient. The whole world gon' know my name even if I ain't famous. My son gon' get whatever, he ain't gotta say it. I always keep that shit 100, I ain't gotta fake it. Why you ask me for my heart if you was gon' break it? They took my man right to the spittle, he ain't even make it. If it's a risk to get some cash, then I'm gon' take it. I don't have dreams when I'm asleep, cause when I'm up I chase it. My bro love playing with them clocks, he said they sit adjacent. Slow and steady when the race shit, you just gotta pay.
All right, man, we officially out of strands. Honestly, I wish I flooded this area a little more. As y'all can see, I was very happy on these sides, making sure it was all busting. Once I got here, I kind of ran out, so I got to take all these out now. But supposedly there's 550 lights. I don't think so, but that's what the box says. So we're about to glue them all up, Then we're gonna make sure it works.
Just got patient. And so much happened in my past, I can't even erase it. They just said that he did it, but I just think he racist. My girl gon' hold me down, I told her that we going places. Don't tell me that I know a nigga only remember faces. Fuck Trump and fuck Biden, I only fuck with Franklin. He kept on dissing on my man, I told him we gon' bake it. And Birdie get a thrill, he love a hop out, run and chase. They took me going to jail to realize that I'm going places. Feel like I'm more important, just like my lifestyle changed. They try to connect me to them bees, but I was out the way. I've been feeling pain, money smiles up on my face. And I was walking through the rain, I had blood on my face. I used to fuck with niggas, they can't even show they face.
Alright, so we got all the lights glued in now. As y'all see, I sectioned it off a little bit with zip ties. So now I'm about to just bring all the sections together and we're gonna make sure it works. Alright, so we organized it into 2 different sections. We brung them here, tied them, pretty much split it down the middle, then made it connect here. So I do need some electric tape, twist that up, tape it all up, take it to the box. I don't got no tape right now, so I'm gonna go get some. But I think we're done so far. I really wish I flooded this area more, but I feel like it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get some tape and we're gonna plug it all up and I'm gonna show you the lights. All right, man, I decided to run the Staples. We get some electric tape. Well, at least I thought they have electric. They don't. We got clear, but it's low voltage, so we should be all right. We're gonna clean it up and then we're gonna get to slap it in the car, so we out. All right, I taped it up. And nothing pretty, but just so it's not strands poking out. I believe the lights is gonna reflect it on them all. So I'm gonna leave this for now because I don't know where the box gonna be, but hopefully I can cut all this extra off. So it definitely looks nice and flooded. The only thing I don't like is this little area around here. I didn't really get because there's a whole plastic layer here. I probably could have took it off, but it's cool. Wish I got the sunroof, but first try, it's not bad. So we about to try to get in the car and see what it come out looking like. Luckily, whatever stuff Mopar used was still pretty sticky and it stuck right back up. So that worked out. We got the sunroof in there. Let's struggle with this. I feel like taking the seat out is easier, but I don't feel like doing it. So if I can get it in, we're gonna get it in.
Hey, 40 pounds, ARPs, all we need now is the Drake. I'm respectful when I shoot, he with his folks, he get a break. 30 niggas, 1 gun, I told the ops, be safe. I know which one the fastest when I spin the block, they race. Sample stuff for what's his name, 3-5, he an 8th. I ain't even one, fuck that nigga, bitch, just got the face. Cops get behind me, I'ma take him on the chase. I ain't going back, no, I'ma do the dash on him. This a baby scat, watch me hit the dash on him. Stop bitching, yeah, my hand too sturdy, I won't crash on him. All I see is green lights, bitch, you know I go. I was selling weed while the old head seller blow. Tell me what you need, you can meet me by the stove. Shoot that 40, it be jumping out his hand, he ain't no pro. Dive up in that water and I turned it to a shark. Bitch, I stay on dog shit, don't let my dogs come out and bark. They know we stay up in the house, they better not come out at the dark. We ain't gonna speak on with.
All right, man, so we cut them nicely. This front end not working. So my thought is, looks all right. My thought is, this is probably too long. I still got some extra strands like you see there hanging out. So I'm gonna try to take a couple more inches off and hopefully that lights it up. Everywhere else is lit up. It definitely looked way more flooded on the behind the scenes part, but I see I could have definitely filled in a little bit. But this 550 lights, I definitely thought I would have had some excess ones, but we're gonna try to get this front end. As y'all see, it's all there, but it's not working. So let's try to troubleshoot that. I should have definitely kept it together. They had all one end together and I broke it trying to organize it. So I see, obviously, I knew this would happen, but I just thought the lights would glow through each other and they would all work. But I guess all of them gotta go directly into the box for the lights. So we're gonna try to take an inch off and hopefully it helps. We should. I don't want half my joint not working, that'd be corny. So hopefully it'll fix it. Well, an inch obviously didn't do the job, so this is what I'm gonna try to do. I'm messing around and I see the box fits up there no problem, so I'm gonna just trim these all the way, all this extra slack, and just have the box on the roof and run the wires through this side right here. So hopefully that'll do the trick. So before I cut it all the way, I just took about 6 inches off. As we see, some of them starting to light up. So we still got some dead ones up here. Not super dead, but a little bit. So I'm gonna take a little bit more off and we're gonna tuck it. So you can't expect no rookie mistakes first time doing it. So you see how short I had to cut it. Now we got all of the whole thing working. So I'm just gonna tuck this up here nicely, have this wire run down, and then we're gonna connect it to the brake lights. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looks at night. But obviously we can tell where I started to run low on them. But from first time, I said it's not bad. Obviously I don't got the lights. That's why, I mean, the remote with me is inside. That's why it's not twinkling or a different color yet. So I'm gonna catch up to y'all when it get a little darker out and I'm gonna show y'all the finishing touch. Let's make sure this worked properly. Okay, we good. Let's go.
XLK1. I told bro that we gon' make it, we just gotta be patient. The whole world gon' know my name even if I ain't famous. My son gon' get whatever, he ain't gotta say it. I always keep that shit 100, I ain't gotta fake it. Why you ask me for my heart if you was gon' break it? They took my man right to the hospital, he ain't even make it. If it's a risk to get some cash, then I'm gon'.
As you guys seen, the roof came out beautiful, man. I love it. It looked real good. And for my first time, I don't think I did too bad. If I could go back, I definitely would have got the 700 and just took my time and flooded everything. But with 550, it goes pretty quick, it looks like. So I'm definitely happy. This box don't got twinkle for some reason, so I might order another kit. Just put the box on there and had different options with a different app. But in total, this thing costed me $70, man. Would you believe that? It was $50 for this kit. And at Walmart, I bought a glue gun and a pack of glue. And I didn't even open the pack. The glue gun came with like 10 of them, and I used 3 of them this entire roof. So $70, man, and I did this to my car. It probably took me about 6-7 hours in total, but for what the outcome is, I say it's worth it. So thanks for tuning in, man. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And like I said, there's a lot more upgrades coming, so the next video gonna be another upgrade. I'm gonna keep my mouth closed until it drops. So make sure you're paying attention, man. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Thanks for tuning in.